Targus docking stations are versatile peripherals that let you connect multiple devices to your laptop through a single USB-C or proprietary port. This includes monitors, keyboards, mice, Ethernet cables, and external storage, making it easy to transform your laptop into a full desktop setup. Drivers act as a bridge between your operating system and the docking station hardware. They manage protocols like DisplayPort over USB-C, USB hub enumeration, and power negotiation. Without the correct drivers, features like multi-monitor support, audio output, or fast charging may not work properly. Targus docks typically use USB-C connections with specialized pinouts that handle everything from USB 2.0 data to power delivery and display protocols. Proper drivers ensure these pins are configured correctly for seamless operation. Without drivers, your docking station may fail to recognize connected devices or deliver optimal performance. Installing the right drivers is crucial for a smooth experience. Before downloading any drivers, identify the exact model of your Targus docking station. Look for the model number on the device itself, the packaging, or the Targus website. Common models include USB-C dual video docking stations like the ACD46USZ and Thunderbolt 4 docks. Knowing the model is crucial for downloading the correct driver version. Visit the official Targus support website at targus.com/support. Enter your docking station's model number into the search bar. Select your operating system, such as Windows, macOS, or Linux. Download the latest driver installer file for your system. Ensure you are downloading from Targus's official website to avoid potentially malicious software. Before running the installer, close all open applications to prevent conflicts during installation. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, which may be needed for online verification during the installation process. Temporarily disable any antivirus software, as it may interfere with the installation process and block necessary files. Make sure your laptop supports the required USB-C power delivery version, such as PD 3.0, to ensure proper power and data handling. Now we'll go through the step-by-step driver installation process. First, locate the downloaded driver file on your computer. Next, double-click the file to start the installer. Then, accept the license agreement and follow the on-screen prompts. If prompted, connect your Targus docking station to your laptop's USB-C port after the installation process has begun. Finally, if you are updating the firmware, make sure to follow instructions carefully. After the installation completes, restart your computer to apply the driver changes. Once restarted, test all connections including monitors, USB devices, and Ethernet to ensure they work properly. Check your operating system's display settings to ensure monitors are properly detected and configured for multiple displays if needed. For audio issues, verify the correct output device is selected in your system's sound settings, such as speakers or docking station audio. If you encounter problems with your Targus docking station, such as display issues or USB devices not working, follow these troubleshooting steps. Common issues include display problems, unrecognized USB ports, or power delivery failures. First, check Device Manager in Windows for any driver errors indicated by yellow exclamation marks. Right-click the device in Device Manager and select Update Driver. Then browse to the downloaded Targus driver files. Ensure your laptop's BIOS and USB-C firmware are up to date through the manufacturer's website or app. Restart your computer to apply any changes and allow the new drivers to load properly. If issues persist, visit Targus's support page for troubleshooting guides tailored to your specific docking station model. Regularly check the Targus support website for driver updates to maintain optimal performance and compatibility. Consider installing the Targus Diagnostic app if available for easier troubleshooting. Keep an eye on future trends like wireless docks and AI-integrated features, as these may require different or updated drivers. Staying updated ensures your docking station remains functional with the latest technology.